if you're frustrated with bloatware in your devices, then you're at the right place, because today in this video I'll be showing you how to debloat any Realme device with apps such as AppMarket, Realme browser and Game Center and more. So first things first, I'm very sorry for this clumsy desktop. I'm working on some projects and thus it's quite clumsy. So you have to download these 3 files. The USB driver is optional. If you want to, you can. So I'll be giving the command list, ADB setup and a platform tools. Once you do that, first you install the ADB setup, press YY. It's already installed in my device, so I'm not showing you guys. Extract the platform tools, go over there, press shift and right click together. Once you do that, you can open PowerShell from there. Write ADB devices. Once you write ADB devices, you have to connect your device through the USB, and once you connect your device, you have to turn USB debugging from the developer options. Also, you have to give permission for transfer files and allow USB debugging. Once you do that, just press allow and just type in the ADB shell. When you type ADB shell, it recognizes your device, and then you have to just give the command. So you can just see the package name. You have to copy the package name, and then you have to go to the uninstall command. So pm uninstall --user 0. Here you just paste the command, then select all, copy it, and then just paste it. Once you do that, press enter, and then you will see a success, and that's it. So I have uninstalled a lot and lots of things. Now a note, AppMarket doesn't get uninstalled, so you have to use the disable command. I hope you like this video. After debloating the device, you can see none of the apps are present. It saves battery, it saves storage, and device feels a lot lighter. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, subscribe to this channel.